Sixth standard students, let us start from page number 147. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions, same denominators. Numerators can be different but denominators should be same. These all are like fractions are 7 upon 27 and 7 upon 28. Denominators are not same, so they both are not like fractions. Their denominators are different, therefore they are not like fractions. They are called unlike fractions. Write 5 pairs of like fractions and 5 pairs of unlike fractions. So you can do very easily. Suppose that if you are writing 6 upon 10, so 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, you can write. Okay. Now see on the next page, 7.9, comparing fractions. Sohani has 3 integer 1 upon 2 rotis in her plate, and Rita has 2 integer 3 upon 4 rotis in her plate. Who has more rotis in her plate? Okay, clearly Sohani has 3 full roti and Rita has 2 full. So Sohani is having more than Rita. Consider 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 as shown in figure. The portion of the whole corresponding to half is clearly larger than the portion of the same whole corresponding to 1 upon 3. See here one strip. That same strip divided into 3 parts, same strip divided into 4 parts, same strips divided into 5 parts. So if numerators are same and denominators are different, then opposite of, that means suppose that 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, which one is greater? So let's compare the denominators. 2 is less than 3, so half is greater than 1 by 3. Clear? In the like fractions, greater numerator fraction is greater than the other. But here is if all denominators are different and numerators are same, then this fraction, you can say denominator is greater than this denominator. So the fraction 1 upon 3 will be smaller than 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. But often it is not easy to say which one out of pair of fractions is larger. For example, which is greater? Now see here numerators and denominators both are different. For this, we may wish to show the fractions using figures, but drawing figures may not be easy, especially with denominators like 13. We should therefore like to have a systematic procedure to compare fractions. It is particularly easy to compare like fractions. So how we can compare the fractions? You get 1/5 of the bottle of juice and your sister gets 1/3 of the same size of bottle of juice. Who gets more? So see here is 1/5 and sister is getting 1/3. So its denominator is smaller than, so greater part 1 upon 3. That means sister is getting more. Clear? Now comparing like fractions. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Which of these are like fractions? 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Like fractions. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Denominators should be same. Now let us compare two like fractions, 3 by 8, 5 by 8. 3 by 8, you can see this strip. 3 parts are shaded and here 5 parts are shaded. So more parts are here shaded. So 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. In both the fractions, the whole is divided into 8 equal parts. So for 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8, we take 3 and 5 parts respectively out of the 8 equal parts. Clearly out of 8 equal parts, the portion corresponding to 5 parts is larger than the portion corresponding to 3 parts. Hence 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Note the number of the parts taken is given by the numerator. It is therefore clear that for two fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Between 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 is greater. The meaning is this: First, check the denominators. If denominators are same, then greater numerator fraction will be greater than the other. Between 11 upon 20 and 13 upon 20, 13 upon 20 is greater and so on. Which is the larger fraction? 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10. Denominators are same, so 8 upon 10 is greater than 7 upon 10. 13 upon 24 is larger fraction. Same way, yes, 17 upon 102. Why are these comparisons easy to make? Because only one thing we have to keep in our mind: if denominators are same, greater numerator with fraction, greater numerator will be greater fraction. Now comparing unlike fractions. Two fractions are unlike if they have different denominators. For example, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 5 are unlike fractions, so are 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. Denominators are not same. Unlike fractions with the same numerator. Consider a pair of unlike fractions. You can see numerators are same, denominators are different, in which the numerator is same, which is greater. See here, 3 equal parts out of 5. You can see here more part is shaded in this stream. So if the denominators are different and numerators are same, then fraction with smaller denominator will be greater than the other fraction. You can see, but every time it is not possible. We make strips and color the part and compare the shaded part. It takes time. So for this, what we do, see on the next page. Now see here, in 1 upon 3 we divide the whole into 3 equal parts and take 1. In 1 upon 5 we divide the whole into 5 equal parts and take 1. Note that in 1 upon 3 the whole is divided into a smaller number of parts than in 1 upon 5. The equal parts that we get in 1 upon 3 is there 4 larger than the equal part we get in 1 upon 5. Already we have seen, since in both cases we take the same number of parts, the portion of the whole showing 1 upon 3 is larger than the portion showing 1 upon 5, and therefore 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 5. In the same way, we can say 2 upon 3 greater than 2 upon 5. See, numerators are same. We have to keep this thing in our mind. Denominators are different, numerators are same, so fraction with smaller denominator will be greater than the other. So in this case, the situation is the same as the case above, except the common numerator is 2, not 1. The whole is divided into a large number of equal parts of 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Therefore, each equal part of whole in case of 2 upon 3 is larger than that in case of 2 upon 5. Therefore, the portion of the whole showing 2 upon 3 is larger than the portion showing 2 upon 5, and hence 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 5. We can see from the above example that if the numerator is the same and in the two fraction, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater of the 2. See here, denominators are different. Smaller denominator will be the larger, and so on. Let us arrange. Now see on the next page. Arrange the following in ascending and descending order easily. Numerators are same, denominators are different, so fraction with smaller denominator will be greater. Clear? So it is the smallest, 1 upon 50, smallest than 1 upon 23, 1 upon 17, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 5. Ascending order, and just opposite descending order you can do. Here also 3, 3, 3, numerators are same, So fractions with smaller denominator will be greater than the greater denominator. Okay, so here 333, so smallest number will be, see, check here, 3 upon 17, 3 upon 13, 3 upon 11, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 4, 3 upon 2. Write 3 more similar examples and arrange them in ascending and descending order. Suppose we want to compare 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. Their numerators are different and so their denominators. We know how to compare the like fractions. First we will change these fractions into like fractions. So that is with the same denominator. We should therefore try to change the denominators of the given fractions so that they become equal. For this, what we will do? We can use the method of equivalent fractions, which we already know. Using this method, we can change the denominator of a fraction without changing its value. See here, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So equivalent fractions, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6, 6 upon 9, 8 upon 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9 in this way. Same denominators. So when you will get same denominators, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So same denominators you are getting. So easily you can say that 8 upon 12 smaller than 9 upon 12. That means 2 upon 3 less than 3 upon 4. Or 3 upon 4 greater than 2 upon 3. Now example 6 and 7 you will solve by LCM. The product of 6 and 15 is 90. Obviously 90 is also a common multiple of 6 and 15. We may use 90 instead of 30. It will not be wrong. But we know that it is easier and more convenient to work with smaller numbers. So the common multiples that we take is as small as possible. This is why the LCM of the denominators of the fractions is preferred as the common denominator. When we want to change into like fractions, always keep this thing in your mind. LCM is necessary. Otherwise, if common multiples, if you will follow equivalent fractions method, so it will take time. So easily, by taking LCM, easily we can change the fraction into like fractions. Okay, let us start 7.4. Write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 upon 8. In this way you will write. And denominators you will check. If denominators, that means all the fractions are in the like terms, then easily you can write in the descending and ascending order. And here also 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So here 8 upon 9, then 4 upon 9, then 3 upon 9, then 6 upon 9. So 9 denominators are same. So if we want to change in ascending order, so less 3 upon 9 less than 6, 4 upon 9, then 6 upon 9 and then. Clear? Now see. Show 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on the number line. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given. So number line you can show on the number line. So first you will draw the number line. So 1 centimeter, 1 by 6. You will start from 0. How you have to do? I explained already. So 0 and then 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6. In this way you will show. Then fraction. So easily you can say that 5 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. 5 upon 6 greater than 2 upon 6. Then 3 upon 6 is 0. So 0. So 3 upon 6 greater than. The meaning is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Half is there. 1 by 6, 6 by 6. So denominators are same. So this one greater. So 1 upon 6 less than 6 by 6. Now here easily compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. So see here, 3 upon 6 less than 5 upon 6. 1 upon 7, 1 upon 4. So fraction with smaller denominator is greater than. So 1 upon 7 less than 1 upon 4. Here like fractions are there. So 4 upon 5 less than. Here numerators are same. So just opposite. Fraction with smaller denominator will be greater. So 3 upon 5 greater than 3 upon 7. In this way you can solve. Make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate signs. No need to do in CW notebook. Look at the figures and write smaller, greater or between the given pairs of fractions. Very easy. See here. 0 upon 1, 1 upon 4. Then 1 upon 2. Then here so many. Now 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is here. And 1 by 3. So where is 1 by 3? 1 by 6 is coming first. So 1 by 6 less than 1 by 3. So this you will solve here only in this way. Clear? No need to do. You will not write this. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign. Numerators. So fraction with smaller denominator is this. So this will be greater. So 1 upon 2 greater than 1 upon 5. Here both are changes. Here 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6. But you can see 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So equal sign. 1 upon 2 is equal 1 upon 2. Here 3 upon 5, 2 upon 3. So equivalent fractions you can change. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 5 threes are 15. Here also 2 fives are 10 and 3 fives are 15. Equivalent fractions first you will take and then you can solve. So here I am explaining here only 3 upon 5. So 3 threes are 9 and 5 threes are 15. So first fraction is, and 2 fives are 10 and 3 fives are 15. Equivalent fractions changed. So 9 upon 15 is less than 10 upon 15. So less. Now see here 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6. So already you will get in like fractions. If you will multiply here and here by 2. So 3 twos are 6. So 6 by 8, 2 by 8. 6, that means this will be greater. So 3 upon 4 greater than 2 upon 8. Or 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2 fours are 8. So 1 by 4 like fractions you will get. So 3 by 4 will be greater than. Now here like fractions are there. So 3 upon 5 less than 6 upon 5. Here like fractions are there. So 7 upon 9 greater than 3 upon 9. Now after calculating simplest form, what you will do? You can separate groups of equivalent fractions and you can write the answer. Now 7th question, find answers to the following, write and indicate how you solve them. Is 5 upon 9 equal to 4 upon 5? So what we will do, we will multiply its denominator in the numerator and denominator, and its denominator we will multiply in second fractions numerator and denominator, and then we will check. Let us start. And here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 by 4 is equal 1 by 4. 6 by 10 and 4 by. So 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. So 8 upon 10 you can convert this. So 6 by 10 less than 8 by 10. If you will convert directly, we can, orally we have to do. And here 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8. So like fractions you will get. Here 6. So 6 by 8 less than 7 by 8. Here 5 twos are 10, 4 twos are 8. So 6 by 10 less than 8 by 10. Now here 5 threes are 15 and 7 threes are 21. So both are equal. The following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So first we will change all this sum into simplest form. So start from here. Let us solve A. Now first 2 upon 12, you can see here 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3. So 2 we can write 2 into 1, then 2 into 2 into 3, cancel 2 by 2, so 1 upon 6, and here in the B, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 upon 5. And then C, 8 upon 50, so 8 upon 50, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are. So 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2, and 50 we can write 2 into 5 into 5, so cancel 2 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. In this way you will change all the fractions into simplest form. Now you can see given fractions 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. So 5 upon 9 and its denominator is 5. So multiply in the numerator and denominator for changing into equivalent fractions, or you can say like fractions. So 5 5s are 25, 9 5s are 45. Now 4 upon 5. So 4, first fractions denominator is 9, multiply in the numerator and denominator, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45. After that you can see here 25 upon 45, 36 upon 45, denominators are same. So 25 is less than 36. That means original fraction is 5 upon 9 less than 4 upon 5. So both are not equal. So you will write no, 5 upon 9 is not equal to 4 upon 5. In this way you can solve all these 3 questions. Now 8th question. Ela read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Who read less? So what we will do? First we will change this. Whatever number of pages read by Ela, we will change into fraction form. Then if fractions are equivalent or into like fractions, we will compare. If they are not into equivalent fractions, so we will change into like fractions. So let us start. Now see here, given Ela read 25 pages out of 100 and Lalita read 2 upon 5. Then fraction form, 25 upon 100, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Or you can write 5 into 5, prime factorization, 2 into 5 into 5. 5 cancel by 5, 5 cancel by 5. So 1 upon 4. Now we will change into like fractions. You can see denominators are not same. So what we will do, 2 upon 5 we will write and multiply by first fractions denominators. So denominator of first fraction is 4. So multiply by 4 and 4. 8 upon 20 and 1 upon 4, 5 upon 20. So you can see here 8 upon 20 greater than 5 upon 20. So 5 upon 20, that means 1 by 4th fraction read by Ela. So Ela read less number of pages. Or you can change, you can write this step first and this step second. I have written second fractions. I have changed the second fraction first. You can change first fraction, okay? Now 9th question. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. So here you can see the fractions are not given into like fractions. So what we will do here, we will multiply by 4 and by 4. So same way I explained this and this, same way you can solve this. So try. Okay, you will do yourself. Now 10th, in class A of 25 students, 20 passed with 60% or more marks. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60% or more marks. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting with 60% or more marks? So let us start. Fraction form for class A. Out of 25, 20 passed with 60 or more percentage. So 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, 5 5s are. Reduced form, simplest form, 2 2s are 4 upon 5. Now for class B. Out of 30, 24 passed with 60 or more marks. So fraction form, 2 you can see here, divide by 2 12 times, divide by 2 6 times, divide by 2 3 times, 3 ones are 3. Same 30, divide by 2 15 times, divide by 3 5 times, 5 ones are 5. Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30. Cancel 2 by 2, 3 by 2 2s are 4, 5. You can see the fraction form for class A is also 4 upon 5 and for class B also 4 upon 5. So both the classes are getting equal fraction. Clear? So you can write here 7.4 is finished. After Diwali vacation we will start 7.5.